Hi everyone, welcome to joining me. I just want to come back and I want to let you know it was a product that I have been using for a while, and I tended to mention this, to you guys and see if you knew about it, and if you didn't know about it, I was going to let you know, put you up on a little piece of something, because we're always looking for a really nice edge control, but you don't want to use an edge control that's going to be so harsh and rough on your edges. In order, you want to be able to slick them down and maintain them, but you don't want to be pulling and having a whole lot of friction to your hair, which can cause a lot of breakage. And unfortunately, a lot of that had happened to me, in the past, where I was using certain products that were damaging, my edges more so than helping. So, but I had bought this product, far as a little diva, and I was using it on her edges because with little girls and stuff, you definitely want to find something that's going to be very light and airy to their hair and their edges. But as I had bought it, and I found out, because it was a person that I was looking at, and I found out about it, that was using it on her daughter's hair, and it definitely works for her hair really nice. But then I started using it. Oh, working for you. Let me see. And it's the curls with the Blueberry Bliss. This right here. Let's see if I can get that. This is some really nice edge control, and and I had this bottle for like 4 months, and this is all that's, and it smells so good, like blueberry. Well, you hear this? Blueberries. Okay, this is all I got, but I'm telling you, it might look like a little to you guys, but once you start using this product, you will know that this little right here that's in here is gonna still go a long way, okay? Because less is more, so you only need a little. I'm just so attracted to the smell. And it's a really nice, pretty, like blueberries. It's blue, you can actually still see it at the bottom, so you can tell I like this, because this is all that left. I have to get another jar, when I go to Target, because that's usually where I get it from. You can order online. The first bottle that I ever bought, because I've been using this for quite some time now, for its edge control. The first jar that I purchased, because this brand, Curls, wasn't so popular into the stores at the time, so I had to end up ordering it off of Amazon. And by the time I paid for what it is, it's like $10 or some change. And with the shipping and handling, it was like $16 or something that I had paid for my very first jar. And I was like, I need to go and start finding this stuff. I live somewhere, there's way too many stores for nobody to have this. So I was in Target one day, and I walked down that aisle, and I looked, and I was like, oh my God, here we go right here. And so at least that wasn't, I had to worry about first the shipping and handling and all that. Sometimes, just picking up one little thing, the shipping and handling and stuff can sometimes be a little overwhelming. So I was glad to know that. So this is the second jar that I had actually got, because the first jar, I mean, you know how sometimes you just don't, when you first use the product, you do too much, you go like way overboard. And that was one of those type of situations. And I was like, what did I just do? Did we just really go through that jar like that? And I get like $16 for it. But the second jar, and then I found out that, yeah, it's right. It's true. Less is more. So this is the second jar, and it's been like 4 months, since I had this. So 4 months, and I still have, some in here. And I use it on, well, not today, because right now, I mean, it's later in the evening, fixing dinner, all that good stuff. So you already know, I'm not trying to show off to nobody. Hey, it's me, it's Tootsie, this is what I do. Long day, okay, long day. I'm not getting all dressed up and fancy and all that. I took all my clothes, did all that. today. So right now, this is what it is. Got my little nightgown on, all that. So, yeah. In a few, since I finish making this video, I'm putting my scarf on. So, what? It'll be bedtime. But I just want to come and let you guys know, you know, just in case, you know, you've been in the store and you've seen these products. I haven't used any of the other products because they have a nice line. Shampoo, conditioner, all that stuff, you know. So definitely check them out. And definitely check out the, you know, the Blueberry Bliss, the edge control. So, yeah, it says Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Paste. So we've got curly hair, you want to do your edges. It's not actually saying like edge control, but it's really good on the edges. You know what I'm saying? And I mean, it's like, it's not saying it's a gel, it's like a paste. You know what I'm saying? It's really nice. So yeah, so that's just what I want to come back with you guys and let you know about this little nigga right here. You know, and I like it to the point where a lot of those edge controls and stuff that you put on your edges, being them tubes and all that, I like this because it is in a jar. And see, I can't see, or I can't see, I cannot see it. Trying to see what size jar this is. Looks like a 2 ounce jar. So, and this will last you a while. Don't do what I did. Don't. I took my first jar and I was using it like it was like water. Even though it was a nice hold. I mean, I was like, oh, shut now. You know, but don't do what I did. You know, just be easy, just a little bit. So, yeah. And I thank you guys for joining me, you know, and I hope everyone has a blessed rest of the evening, and, you know, and be good to one another. And I'll be talking back with you real soon.